Yo, the weirdest thing ever just happened. So if you know me, you've been watching me long enough, you will know I don't believe in no supernatural. I don't believe in no God, no ghosts, no energy in the universe, none of that. But sometimes some things happen and I can see why people believe in the supernatural. So on Sunday, I bought my motorbike. Yesterday was Monday. I went down to some motorcycle clothing shop. And obviously I'm trying on the boots and that, because obviously I want to buy a new pair of motorbike boots. All of my motorbike gear, like the helmet, the gloves and the boots and that, is down at my mum's yard in Edmonton. So I was a bit unsure of what size I needed. So I phoned my mum to ask, like, can you go upstairs, can you go in the cupboard, get the boots out and check what size they are and that. Because it's not like the same with your trainers. Like I'm a size 8 in trainers and that. It's not the same with boots, especially different brands, different manufacturers and that. It's all different. So I phoned my mum whilst I was in the shop. My mum's one of them people. She's bad for picking up the phone, innit? You're like, yo, if you've got your last phone call and you're trapped in someone's basement, yo, don't phone my mum. She'll phone you back about a week later and that, yeah? So anyway, phoned her, shock horror. She didn't answer the phone. No surprise there. So boom. So obviously next stage today, I'm in the bathroom now. And my mum just popped into my head. I'm like, hold on a minute. Disrespectful woman. I phoned you yesterday. You ain't even phoned me back. Imagine. 1 minute later, I got a text message from my mum. Yeah? I didn't even open it up. I saw the preview. Or WhatsApp text from my mum. Sorry, I didn't mean to phone you just now. So what happened was, for some reason, my mum phoned me by accident, but I didn't hear the phone ring. Yeah. So my mum just sent me a follow-up text after that phone call that I didn't pick up to say, sorry, I didn't mean to phone you, but how are you doing anyway? Imagine that. I'm there thinking about my mum, thinking, disrespectful. You can't even phone me back. You know, anything could have happened and that. And then she literally phoned me, text me within a minute or two of me thinking that. And it's happened before. You lot must have experienced this in some way, shape or form. So I got an auntie called Honey. And she's someone that, you know, will go to my mum's house quite often and that. And one time, these times when I was living at home, my mum, you know, we just were speaking about, I don't know, something come up and that. So we just talking, oh yeah, Auntie Honey, this, whatever, innit? 2 minutes later, the door knocks. Answer the door. Auntie Honey. Mad. Literally, like, we were all shocked. Yeah? How can we be talking about someone and then they just turn up to the house? So, like I said, I still don't believe in no supernatural or no craziness or nothing like that. But I can see why people believe in supernatural and craziness and energy and that. Madness. Anyway, stay wise. Done now.